Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I have a 10 by, is it 10 by 10 or is it 12 by 12? That's 16. I think it's 12 by 12 actually. In any case, I have leftover paint and I have a will to use it. That should not be up here. This is my OXO omelet turning spatula. Best paint spreading tool I know. I've had to move my studio around so I don't have the sun on my table, but right now it's getting late, so I gotta be quick. My bottles are a little bit in the way. So I just wanted a basic layer of paint that's somewhat thick so I can attempt to give myself a ribbon pour from that dish. And I'm going to put some Venetian blue in there. Not that it's coming out very well. And some iridescent pink. Is that what that is? No, that's enamel. Oh, cool. Okay, well, never mind. We're using some enamel. That's some folk art neon. That used to be some dioxazine purple with Anita's white metallic in there. Here's some of that blue. Here's some golden, 24 karat gold from Deco Art Americana with some orange in it. And I do want some gold. And it's right there. And last but not least, I think I'm going to give myself, last but not least, there's going to be some iridescent pearl fine in there. I wish I could add it with some pressure, but it is what it is. So instead of doing it any other weird way, I'm just going to put it all on there. Let it flow out. Grab a spatula, because there shouldn't be any glop, it's pretty fresh. Usually I would just throw it around, and I kind of think that might have been a good idea, but maybe, just maybe, I'll do a little bit more. I need something with some pressure in it. There we go. Every time I want to color today, it's one of those days. I haven't used any orange recently, so I think I'm going to give myself some of that. That's not clear either. Okay. We'll make do with what we got. One of the things I usually like to do recently is to torch. See if we can stimulate any cells. I really want to just do everything all at once. I want to keep my pretty colors here though. You know what? I'm just going to be brazen. I'm having one of those days where I just want to do what I want to do with a color. Oh, you know what? I've got some of this other pink too. That might be kind of cool. I do have some beautiful paint colors, I have to admit. Just tipping away. Everybody's out walking. It's cold in Florida right now. I can't even work in my studio first thing in the morning because my paint's too slow. I know you guys know what that's like because you're in cold places. I'm not used to it though. I've been doing this a couple 3 years almost, and I've never had to deal with paint that cold. It's pretty well freezing here. I think wherever my .24 karat gold with orange in it is. Whoops, over we go. You know what, I haven't used an edge catcher in a while. It might be time. So I'll give it a shot. What do I want in there? I want something in there. Let's let everything go down there. I might move the painting off of the puddle. Well, maybe not. I don't actually want all stripes. So at a certain point in time, I might remove the artwork and then put it back on again as best I can. Maybe use any residuals to fill in my edge. Make something dramatic, coming in from two different directions. That's kind of cool. I got paint dripping everywhere. But fortunately that paint is usable to fill in my edges, which is pretty cool. I'm going to try and get that last side and hopefully I don't lose all the things I like the most. Squeeze in the paint as it flows down to cover the edge and so I can get it to go back into the painting. So that's kind of my average leftovers with other things added. I don't know if I want to do anything to that. That's kind of fine just the way it is. You know you can't trust me when I say that though. Somebody's like, yeah, right. And if things were a little more open today, you know, I haven't used my airbrush for a while. And there's really no rules at the moment. I don't want to use the basting brush though. Yeah, if all else fails, spiral it out. It wasn't really any fail, it's just more fun to spiral. This right here is too hard of an edge. It's got to go. Why not? Just keep playing. That's pretty cool, actually. You know, for a simple technique. Well worth mastering. I recommend it. So, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Noticing that I didn't use all my colors. I had a second dish. Wow, I'm not putting that on there. I might be having to do an 8x10 or wait till tomorrow or something. Whoa, that was a big surprise. Okay, it's time to torch. Tell you guys I love you. There's over 91,000 of you subscribed. If you watch the videos longer, you help me and I appreciate that. And the thumbs up is very appreciated also. I got some nice cells. That's probably from that pink enamel, which works very well. I should have used some more because I would have probably got a few more cells. This is kind of exciting. I'm pretty happy with this. Maybe I'll come back after dinner and try and use up that paint. So check the end screen video. The exhibition video should show you what the monthly drawing prizes are for anybody who's a contributor to help keep the studio rolling. And I could use all the support I can get. And if you would like to be very supportive, you can always inquire after purchasing a painting by using the email address below. Definitely right below the link tree. Tongue's going too fast. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments. And thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Look on my Amazon link on the link tree for the OXO omelet turning spatula and the Princeton Art Tool kettle of spatulas. That might have been too quick. Ask me any questions you want to. Look for my paint pouring recipe below the video. Also, you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links below the link tree. And Teespring Clothing is all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Look for my Facebook groups on the link tree. Also, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes and more. You can use the Shop Now button to get to FineArtAmerica and Pixels.com. If there's ever anything that you guys want me to add to my collections so that they can become merchandise in any way, shape, or form, I'll do my best to try that. You just have to make a request. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments. I think I said that already. My community board has tomorrow's video on it, along with Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook. I have over 1,700 videos, and they are organized into 17 lists of 100 and genre and topic, and go to all playlists, created playlists, some variation on that. Just keep going through. And if you want a genre playlist, ask me and I will give you the link because I'm all ready to do that. The longer you watch, the more help you are. When the video first comes out, you're a big assistance to me. Thank you for the comments. They are helpful also. I really like this. It was pretty simple to do. I'm sure it comes from having done a couple thousand paintings, but I love you guys, and I will speak to you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll zoom in, because that seems to be the only way with these artificial lights that you can actually see everything. Okay, bye for now. Priscilla out.